Hi friends, today I'm here with a delicious, easy to make porridge recipe which is made with broken wheat and chicken. Here is everything you need for this recipe. I am using half cup of broken wheat and about 80 grams of boneless chicken. Along with that I am also using about 2 tablespoons of mixed lentils. I am using yellow split lentils, polished green lentils and black lentils. Along with that, I'm also using some fresh herbs and some spices here. You also need some yogurt to marinate the chicken. First, I'm going to wash my broken wheat thoroughly. Then I'm going to soak it for about 15 minutes. While the broken wheat is getting soaked, I'm going to prepare my chicken. So I've cut the chicken into small cubes. Now I've added some salt and yogurt into this. Now I'm going to mix it thoroughly and keep it aside for some time as well. Now to begin with the cooking process, I have added 1 teaspoon of clarified butter into my pressure cooker. Once the clarified butter is hot enough, I'm going to add finely chopped ginger and green chilies into this. Once it becomes aromatic, you can add finely chopped shallot onions into this. Instead of shallot onions, you can also use red onions or brown onions. Along with that, I've added 1/4 teaspoon of caraway seeds and few peppercorns into this. Now give it a nice mix. Once it becomes translucent and the aromas comes out, we can add some turmeric and garam masala into this. Now I'm adding marinated chicken into this and give it a nice mix. This is the chicken which I marinated with salt and yogurt. Now give it a nice mix and make sure all the masalas are nicely coated on the chicken. Now I'm going to add soaked lentils into this. Along with that, I'm also going to add some fresh mint leaves. Instead of mint leaves, you can add coriander leaves or oregano, but mint and chicken is a very good combination. Now I'm going to add my soaked broken wheat into this along with some water. You need to add about half cup of water for the broken wheat to get cooked. Now give it a nice mix and pressure cook it for at least 2 whistles, and then let the pressure release naturally. If you like a thin porridge, you can add more water. However, I like my porridge to be a bit thicker. So I'm going to mix nicely once the pressure is released. I'm also going to add a little bit more water and some fresh mint leaves. Give it a nice mix. You can mash down the chicken if you want, but I like the texture, so I'm going to use it as it is. Now you can serve it with some fresh lemon wedges and mint leaves. So our super tasty chicken and wheat porridge is ready to be served. If you like this recipe, please try it yourself and let me know your feedback. Thank you for watching and see you soon with another video. Bye.